What to do when your Ryobi string trimmer is not feeding line. So if you have a bump feature and it's not working, or an auto feed system and it's not feeding line, well, I'm going to show you what to do. First, flip it over and remove the battery. Once that's removed, we can safely auto feed some line. Flip it over, spin the spool round until you see this little button here, and this allows you to manually release the line. All we need to do on some models is press the button in and release, and this will feed out a little bit of line, and just keep doing that until you get all the line you need. You want the line to go past this cutting mechanism here. However, some models need you to press the button in and pull the string out to your desired length. Just remember, you want it to go slightly past this cutting blade here. Once it's there, you then want to start the string trimmer and just listen to an audible click. Did you just hear that? That's the cutter cutting the line to the correct length. As you can see, when we flip it back over, you can see there, it's now perfectly been cut by that cutter and it's ready to use. So hopefully that shows you how to fix your Ryobi string trimmer when it's not feeding line. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.